Howdy, YouTube. Hi, Diego. How's my little buddy doing today? Come on, let's go cook something up with Grandpa. Alright, it's up to heat. We're going to ladle this into the pot pie dish that has the ranch house smoked chicken in it. And I did add some Knox spice to this. I just forgot to show that. Some yummy chicken and cracked pepper. Alright, so let's ladle this over here and get on with our show. That is mashed potatoes on the bottom. All these ingredients are cooked, so we're just basically cooking the pie crust. I decided to go ahead and brown the carrots, potatoes, and onions. Then we added a can of mushrooms and 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, along with a can of corn. Alright, here we have our smoked chicken pot pie. I just love a nice dark burnt crust. It's got that smoky chicken flavor to it. That is the best. And if you can't barbecue it yourself, go on out to the ranch house. Amy cooks up some awesome smoked chicken. Thank you for watching, rating, commenting, subscribing, and sharing this cooking videos with your friends. Tasty indeed. Thank you for watching. See you later, YouTube. Bye, Diego. And in case you didn't know, Amy Anderson is a world champion pitmaster. Man, that was so good I'm having seconds. Thank you for watching, rating, commenting, and subscribing. I hope you enjoyed my version of a smoked chicken pot pie. And what I did on the crust to get it what I like, Angie really likes that, I followed the directions to cook it at 450 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. And that worked a lot better than trying to do the lower. I noticed that on the package that it said to just cook the crust, do it that way. So that's what I did, and it turned out really good, and it's really tasty. I like the grilled vegetables. Getting them grilled before you put them in the pie, that was an awesome addition too. Thank y'all for watching.